Hey guys, Syrious here with another video. It is part 2 of the coilover install for the Honda Fit. Alright, so I already sent those coilovers back. Well, actually I didn't. They're sitting in my living room. But I'm sending those coilovers back, the Amazon ones. Don't buy Amazon coilovers. I mean, they might fit on your car, they might not. It's just roll the dice, I don't know. But anyway, we are back and I have Megan coilovers. Alright, so these are already, I even had the guys, they called me and made sure. They were like, yo, these coilovers fit, we guarantee it. So we're about to find out for sure though. But Megan coilovers, let's see if you can get that in there. Yeah, they're blue, and overall they are just a lot beefier, a lot thicker and heavier than those other coilovers. And I thought those other coilovers were pretty heavy, but yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this installation. Hopefully it goes by pretty quick, but we won't know until we get started. So hey, hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see what this car looks like dropped and on the new tires that we bought in yesterday's video. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. Go watch yesterday's video. All my videos are kind of like intertwined and stuff like that. Also, we'll be having Type R stuff coming back up soon, so I just want to get my daily looking clean, you know? And I just thought I'd share the experience with you guys. I figured, hey, why not? But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let's get to it. All right, quick rundown of the coilovers again. So this is the front coilover. It's a little bit beefier, and this was what was wrong with the old coilover. This right here was completely measured wrong. It was just bad. It didn't fit at all. And just filling this now in comparison to the other one actually did feel kind of cheap now that I think about it. So it's just like, it's up to you whether or not you want to buy Amazon coilovers. I personally wouldn't recommend it, but hey, it's your money, bro. You know what I mean? And also what came with it were stickers and instructions. Actually, this time it actually came with instructions. That's exciting. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the front coilover. Grab the rear real quick. This is the rear, and this is the spring right here. Everything is much better packaged too compared to the other one. I don't know what they are thinking. They're definitely not losing money on production though, so. So far, everything's looking pretty good. This is the first strut, and just going from there. Turn the camera around. There you go. So I'm in the garage right now. Ooh, that's bright. So I'm in the garage right now. I put it down. I'm gonna have to just listen out for people coming or not, just because it's getting dark outside and I needed some light. So I just went ahead, closed the garage, put on this big spotlight, and just have my regular garage light going up there. So hopefully I can knock this out at a pretty good time. If anything, I can always just do the fronts today and then wake up and do the rears in the morning. So we'll just see how that goes. Right now it's not too bad, so just hope it stays this way. All right, I hope you guys can see. I love using the GoPro when I'm doing stuff like this because I feel like it's very convenient for me to be able to talk to you. I don't have to hold the camera, and this way you can still see what I'm doing exactly. So right now I'm just trying to rebolt everything back into place, and then I'm gonna get everything tightened. I think that had to be up there. Yeah, come on out. There we go. Okay, now see, this coilover, it makes 100% sense as compared to the other one. This one has all the necessary parts for me to be able to reconnect everything, like my sensors and all that jazz. So, and then the front stabilizer, which I have to install. But basically, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought those Amazon coilovers. Oh God. Hey, but now you guys know. That's the cool thing. Got the coilovers on the front sides. I'm gonna drop it a little bit more. Just a little bit more. And this side looks good.
I'm sorry.
Bo and Chewy are here. They're over there.
What did you say? Oh.
I'm just recording. Hey.
Chewy. Certified Honda Tech.
Certified Honda Tech.
On the scene. All right, pop the hood.
About to go to the back. I don't have any light. Get those out. Yep.
How do you think the paint is liking the sparks?
Alright, so I'm back. It's a new day. So yesterday we cut it short because we ran into another hiccup. I had to go rent a coil suppressor, and I also picked up a torque wrench. So I could, impact wrench, sorry, a 1/2-inch impact wrench, so I can get the top, I forgot what this is called, the top hat off the strut. And so now we finally got that off after lots of cutting and impact wrenching and all that jazz. Finally got the top hat off. Hey, he got a new blow-off valve. You guys are gonna hear it, hopefully. And yeah, I'm gonna get started on the other strut and hurry up and get these in. This is a 3-day installation, so this is Garbo. All right, he's revving it up right now. Nope. No spool. You might have to just adjust a few things. All right. So while he's trying to figure out why he's not getting any spool, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Break-in period or something.
Oh, it's just only while I'm driving.
Yeah.
Randomly. What's out here? Oh shit! It did it! It did it! I swear it did it! I promise you, I'm not lying. I'm not a liar.
That's gonna be problems. I might as well just put it on one coil higher.
You know what I'm thinking? When you head to the back, like when you do the back, impact on that shit.
That's what I was gonna do. I was just gonna impact the rest out from here on. I was like, you know what? It's that time. You know what the good thing about doing all this is? We know what tools we need. He's gonna go get some food real quick, and I'm gonna be working on this, trying to pull this off. This is the other top hat I need. Finally got both of the struts off, and yeah, soon about to have coilovers, front coilovers on at least, on properly. Oh, that backfire though. Look at that. Oh, it got stopped. But it's cool. It's cool. Okay. And he's already home. He literally lives right up the street from me. That's hilarious. So.
The next day.
All right. So here we are on another new day. Yeah, we keep running into bullshit for this car. So basically, I was changing the front coilovers. And I popped one of the axles out. And so then I was like, oh god. So I had to like do a bunch of research and figure out how to pop it in. It was literally like a 10-minute fix, but I was doing the wrong thing of trying to get it back in. I had to have somebody on the other side spin the wheel while I pushed this side and spent it until it went back in place. So actually, my girlfriend, she's here now, she actually helped me get that done. So shout out to her. And I'm about to finally get started on the backside. So hang in there. This is almost done. And then I'm going to go ahead, get the new rims mounted with new tires. We'll get new tires mounted on these wheels. And she'll be dropped with 15x8s on the daily. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, get back to it. All right, guys. So I'm back. I've already jacked the car up for the rear, and I've already knocked out. Well, I've already basically taken apart the whole back suspension pieces. I already got the spring out on the right side. I'm gonna work on getting the spring out on the driver's side here soon. I don't know if you can see that. I have the GoPro on, and these are the pieces right now. So as soon as I get these mounts switched on from the old springs onto the new ones, Look at the difference in that. It's like almost half the size too. I was gonna start out just being a lot lower, but yeah. Hey babe. Yep. Alright, so I got the coilovers in the rear installed finally. I just gotta tighten down the bolts, and then I'm gonna put some wheels on there and drop it and see how it is. Hopefully I installed everything correctly. I'm just double checking bolts, making sure everything is as tight as possible. So that's all I can really say for now. Hopefully this comes out looking well. She helped me out a little bit.
I helped out a lot.
She did actually, but I'll get back to you guys shortly, hopefully. I know this is gonna be like a really choppy, I don't know if the light is. I know this is gonna be a really choppy video just because this has happened over the course of like 5 days because ran into bullshit every day. So hopefully this is the last day and I can go get these tires mounted on these wheels and finally throw these wheels on the Type R with it dropped. That's what I want to see. Okay.
So we're out here on the pit. We're putting some coilers on.
Coilovers. Coilovers. She keeps calling them coilers. Babe, are you installing the coilers today?
What is a coiler? It's something.
Like simplified it. Conjunction junction.
What's your function?
Alright, we're finally getting the lower in the car down. We've already lowered the left side, the driver's side. Whoa. And there she blows. We did it! We finally did it. It took like 5 days.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is the Type R. I mean the fit. God, I called it the Type R twice. Okay, so guys, this is the fit on coilovers. It looks a lot better. It's definitely a little bit lower, and then I have room to go lower, but I want to wait until I get in alignment. And well, I'm gonna get the tires on first, the tires and wheels on first, then get in alignment. And I'm actually about to head over to the store to do that now, but I just wanted to make sure everything was copacetic, and hopefully, after I bolt everything down even more, we can get there safely and get these tires on there. So. Alright, and this is the finale for the video, guys. It's actually July 4th. I finished the car, well, had the car finished a couple days ago. I had the tires finally put on the wheels, and yeah, I can show you guys. The coilovers are on the car now. I'm going to have to raise the car up a little bit until I get the fenders rolled and pulled in the back, especially, because I'm already starting to rev like extra hard, and it's already starting to put a little bit of wear on the tires. I'll give you guys a little glance of it right here. Alright, so this is the front. As you can see, got quite a bit of poke on them. Now, ooh, 1 second. Alright. So, like I was saying, I got quite a bit of poke on them. I definitely want to pull the fenders and roll them, especially roll them so I can stop scraping on the inside up there. But it's pretty much what I wanted. The only downfall is I didn't want this big of a tire size. The thing is, I went to Discount Tires like an idiot, and I should have just went to another shop or a mom and pop shop or something, because I had 195 45 15s that I wanted to put on here, or 40 15s, I don't remember exactly. But when I tried to get them done at Discount Tire, they didn't want to stretch the tire. So yeah, that's just my fault. But I'm pretty much looking like a monster truck. And yeah, we're gonna handle that soon though. But overall, I'm really happy with the fitment on it. It's gonna be really nice once I get it in properly. I don't know exactly what I want to do. Do I want to do more than just roll the fenders out and pull the fenders and try and make it work, or do I want to do even extra to it? But at the end of the day, this is my daily, and I just want to keep it as functional as possible. Alright guys, so I know I said that was going to be the end of the video, but it's been a couple days, I think like 3 days, and I've actually rolled and pulled on the fenders, so now they're actually a little bit more flush with the tires. They're not 100% flush, but they look better than what they looked like with the super poke I had going on. Here, I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see, I rolled the tires. That's my dog. I didn't know she was going to be in the shot right there, but I rolled I rolled the fenders and I pulled them. I think this is my best one right there, actually. But I did that one. I did all 4. But this is definitely my worst. That's definitely my worst fender. You can see right here. Fucked up right there. I'll admit it. I messed up. It was my first time ever rolling fenders. Now the back is where it gets interesting. Now in the back, not only did I roll the fenders, but I was rubbing really, really bad in the back. So I went ahead and raised it about maybe half an inch, maybe a little bit more than that. I'm not 100% sure. But the back looks a lot better now. It was basically slammed in the back, so yeah. But the car's looking good, and I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with it, actually. Shout out to everybody who's helped me throughout the video that you saw. Bo, Chewy, my girlfriend. She helped me a lot, actually. She super helped me out because we popped out an axle, and I needed her help to like spin one side so we can. Oh no! What are you doing? Hey, come on, get out. Good girl. All right, so yeah, she helped me out a lot on popping the axle back in, but. Mod update, I got a Dragon Ball for a shift knob, and I got a center console. So the reason why this center console is white is because I thought I ordered black, but apparently I ordered white like an idiot. But hey, it happens. So I'll probably like spray paint that or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Oh, I did not realize my car was on. Hopefully the battery is not dead. Let's take that out. But yeah. So I'm gonna go hit the car on a test run. And I'm gonna go from there. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. This was a long video, a long, frustrating process to put coilovers, new wheels, and new tires on this car. It was a pain in the ass. Went through 2 sets of coilovers, the Amazon ones, and we have these Megan Racing coilovers on here now, and we have the SSR, XXR, I wish they were SSRs, XXR wheels. And I actually had to order some hubcaps for them. Not hubcaps, center caps for them. Because the rims, when I bought them, they didn't come with center caps. And also, funny story with the tires. I really wanted to stretch the tires, but Discount Tire were being assholes. Not assholes, but I guess liability issues. And they didn't want to let me put 195 40 15s on there. But hey, it happens. So right now, I think I have like some monster truck size going on. I have 225 50 15s. Yeah, 225 50 15s. Those are my tire size on this right now. But again, this is my daily driver, so I didn't want anything too crazy. I was already like going like really slammed in the back, and I was actually already rubbing really bad, and it was causing some of the tread in the tires to come off. So I'm happy I handled that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Max, you want to do it actually? Come here. Come here. She said peace.